Hi everyone, Kathleen Brooks here, Research Director at XTB. This week is all about Inflation Watch. The first reading of Eurozone CPI for May is released on Friday, and we get the Fed's preferred inflation measure, the core PCE deflator, that will also be released on Friday. If inflation moderates, then we might see a pickup in risk sentiment after global stock markets fell slightly last week on the back of a recalibration of interest rate expectations for the US and the UK. What's been interesting about market behaviour recently is that the big global tech firms are starting to dominate the markets once again. Nvidia, the AI giant, was up 15% last week after delivering its mega earnings report for the last quarter. Nvidia is still leading the Magnificent Seven, and the gap between the Magnificent Seven and the S&P 500 has widened in recent weeks, as you can see in this chart. It's also worth watching Apple's share price this week. It's currently up more than 2% on the back of news that shipments of iPhones to China rose more than 50% in the past month after a number of months of declines. This suggests that the shrinking Apple iPhone demand in China is starting to stabilise, which could help to boost the share price, which is the second weakest performer in the Magnificent Seven, just ahead of Tesla. Other things to watch this week is some volatility in the FTSE 100, as M&A activity could move Anglo-American and Royal Mail share prices. UK regulators have set a deadline for this week for the bidders of both firms to either change their offer or walk away. BHP Billiton has been bidding for Anglo-American, the copper maker. So far its offers have been rebuffed, but Anglo's share price is up more than 30% this year. So if BHP decide to walk away, then we could see some volatility in Anglo's share price and in the FTSE 100. That's it for now. Thank you for joining.